Nothing new about salad.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
Salad in a salad mix like I'm doing here. Most people wash these things. I can't stand this green stuff on these cucumbers. So I'm going to peel it now so that I don't have to deal with it later. It's the wax. When they're not waxed, they're okay. But when they're waxed, I don't want to ingest that. Okay, so now that goes in there. These are asparagus stems. They're not the end, they're about the middle. So they have a real nice crunch. Listen, that really tastes good. So I'm going to put some of these in here too. I'll save the tips to make broth. When you're vegan, you don't throw anything away. We're going to wash this up and put it together. I'm going to pull the cucumber out. If I had a compost pile, that would go in my compost heap. In the city, it's a little bit more difficult. So right here, I'm just going to slice it. If you're wondering what kind of knife this is a steak knife. Next thing we do, I want to get rid of as much water as possible. With that, assemble it. I like big salads, so I'm going to first put in the cucumbers, and I'm going to cut up with a pair of scissors. These are kitchen shears. They're a little stronger than regular scissors, but you know what? I even use those too. Sometimes I really want to cut them evenly. Sometimes I just cut them up. Sometimes I stick them in here and cut them. You know, it's just salad. It's not like it has to have a perfect cut. You just want to make it manageable so you can grab it. Tonight I'm eating alone. I'm probably going to watch horror movies and eat my salad while my wife goes out and does something else. These I'm going to cut about an inch, and they're going to add a lot of flavor to the salad. Asparagus are really wonderful with this. Now these are not cooked. If they were cooked, they would be a lot softer. Asparagus stems too in my salad. It's just that today I want to show you a different perspective. So you mix it together. Now I could use oil or vinegar, which is usually what I like to have at my salad. But today I picked up, well, you can see Members Mark, so that's from Sam's Club, White Balsamic Vinaigrette with a hint of citrus and basil. So I'm thinking this is going to taste good. So what do you do with these? You know, because everything settles. Just give it a good shake. Now I normally just pour it in here. And yes, this is a shortcut. Now you see it more now. You don't want it clear like that. Now that's a lot for me. Now watch. I clean my spoon with regular vinegar. This is red wine vinegar, and I'm just going to use a little bit. Now these, when they're brand new, these artichoke hearts, whole tender artichoke in water, that's what I like, not oil, are really hard to open. Once you snap the lid, then it's easy to open up. So I'm taking a spoon like this with holes in it so that I can grab a few, and I'm probably going to grab 4. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. And you can see it's a really beautiful flowerlet. Now you could use, I'm going to use pink Himalayan sea salt and black pepper. Got this one from Canada, Poivre, black pepper. Cool, huh? And I'm not much of a pepper person, so I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon. And normally I don't measure this. It comes out of the pepper shaker. And mix it all together. We're missing one major ingredient. It's red, and it grows on a vine. Bought these beautiful tomatoes. They say right on here, pure flavor, Luna sweet cocktail tomatoes. Well, drop them in. And just to have something different, because normally I have an apple at night, I'm going to have grapes. And these are red seedless grapes. And just put about a dozen. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what I did with these, paring knife, and I cut up the grapes in half. I'm going to mix it more like a better bite. Now before I was vegan, I would be putting cheese in this. It's not that I don't put cheese, I don't use cheese, it's just that I prefer my own, and I haven't been making that. I'm going to be doing that next month. There's one. Okay, alright. Nice, or in this case I can use a spoon, and I'm going to cut these guys a little bit smaller. So this one, first one I cut in half, and that is going to be my salad for the night. Thank you for joining me. I have this artichoke right in front of you guys. Oh, just marvelous. Okay, so we'll see you for our next salad. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.